Okay, let's say Netflix or any other streaming service has been working fine for you, but suddenly when you press play, you can hear audio but only see a black screen or a white screen. Here's how to fix that. Assuming you're using Google Chrome, go up into the right-hand side of your screen with your mouse and you're going to see three vertical dots. You want to left-click on those vertical dots, then a menu will come up. Then you want to go down to the bottom, which should be Settings, and you want to left-click on Settings. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar. Once you're in the search bar, just left-click inside of there and type in Use Graphics, and then the rest should show up, Acceleration when available. And there it is. You need to turn that off. Now, that's going to close off all of your Google Chrome and relaunch it. But once that's off, let's see what happens when we go back into Netflix. Boom, we can see it. We can see everything. So that's how you do it. Now, the only downside to this is if you're using a program like Canva, an online program like Canva, you're going to find that it needs that turned on, because when you go to an image in Canva and you want to edit image, it's going to say, to edit an image, you need WebGL to be enabled, and that is what this is. So you have to actually left-click the button to turn it on, relaunch your Google Chrome again, and then you'll see you have access to the edit image functions for Canva. So it's pretty annoying, and I don't really have any other comments about that, but that's the solution to the problem. I hope that helps you, and I'll keep track of this because every single year the settings tend to change and the names of things change. So I hope that helps. If you liked what I did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Every little bit helps me make more content for you. Have a great week.